Hi everyone, James from Support here, joining you from my home office. Just wanted to show you through the new messaging system in onCourse, which we think is quite a bit easier to use than the old one, but it does work fundamentally a little bit differently. So we're just going to show you how to send messages to, or manually send messages to your contacts and classes and that sort of thing. Right now we're here in the contacts window, but this is all fundamentally done the same from either classes or waiting lists or any other place that you want to get in touch with your students or tutors. So what we've got here is a list of a bunch of test data in our test system, a bunch of test contacts that we want to get in touch with. So we're just going to hold shift and highlight a bunch of them, shift and click, and then we'll come down to the cogwheel here and click send message. And you can see here, this is the send message window. So what is fundamentally different here is that these messages now use pre-made templates, and they are called message templates, and you can see them in the automation window. And we'll go into those in a little bit more detail in another video. But for right now, you just need to know that they use their own templates, and what template you select will define what type of message you send out. So there's SMS templates and email templates, and not to be confused with the email templates that send via scripts. But here we can see it's defaulted to an SMS template, and we want, let's say we want to send an email, so we'll select a simple email template. And then all you need to do here is type out your subject, so we'll say class cancelled, and then the body of the email, which could be really anything. And you'll notice that you don't need to type in any HTML anymore. And as we type out, you'll notice this preview will fill out, which is handy. It lets you know sort of what you're doing, or how everything's going to look. This is the preview that's been built from the email template that we've selected. There, that's our email. We can see our from address here. This is being pulled from the setting in preferences in the messaging section, and you can edit this by just clicking the field, and it will allow you to edit it. And here you can see that although we've got 21 records selected from the last window, a bunch of them either don't have email addresses or they've been classified as undeliverable. So we can see here that we'll actually be sending to 13 contacts. 2 of them are suppressed, which means 2 of them have chosen to unsubscribe from emails, but we can choose to send to them anyway by clicking this little checkbox, which is good for any really important messages that you want to send out. And then we just hit send, and there it is. That's how you send messages from onCourse.